Meaning of eatable.
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 Eatable. Eatable is an adjective that means something is safe and appropriate for consumption as food. It refers to the edibility of a substance or item, indicating that it can be eaten and metabolized by humans or other animals without causing harm. This term is commonly used to describe food products and ingredients, but can also apply to non-food items that are sometimes eaten, such as certain plants or insects. Overall, eatable is a word that denotes the suitability of something for ingestion and implies that it poses no health risks to the consumer.